Holy sh! Oh my god.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This one, as you can see, is another bedroom transformation, and my sister was the lucky winner, I guess, this time around. Since she is starting her first year of high school, she's gonna be a freshman this year, which is mind-boggling to me. However, I wanted to make sure that she went into the new chapter of her life feeling good about herself, having a brand new room, all of that good stuff. So in this video, we're going to take you along the whole process of designing her bedroom. And as always, you guys will see the before and afters. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. As I told you guys before, it really helps me grow, and I want to keep doing this, so your guys' support is very much appreciated. So please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. This video is even more exciting because it's my first video that I partnered with a brand, and this brand is called Arc Chill, and they make blankets. So what better than to incorporate on my channel than a blanket, right? This is going to be the blanket right here that we show in this video. This is a bamboo cooling blanket, and it helps cool down your body temperature. So it's absolutely amazing. It's really good quality, feels really good on the skin. So I'll make sure that I link this below in the description box if you guys want to grab one. They're sold on Amazon, so super convenient. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get into the transformation. I hope you guys love it. Yeah, enjoy. I'm with you. Alright, so this little rug, we got some curtains here. Hey guys, it's me. So you guys just watched me hang this mirror up. Now we are actually gonna do a whole collage wall over here. So I'm gonna let you guys watch me do that. We have all of the prints right here. They're the same ones, so that's why, but they'll be mixed throughout so it doesn't look like that. So yeah, and Denzel's gonna hang the curtains up while I work on this. Alright, you guys, I finally finished. I will say this took longer than I would have wanted it to take, but it is what it is. So here is the collage wall, little accent wall. I'm super happy with how it came out. Really cool pictures. I think my sister will really like it. So, and it's like, are you kidding me? The perfect little wall to take a selfie in. Oh, I shouldn't have did that, but you guys know the vibes. It's super cute for the selfie pics. Always shopping. You got anything to say? Aren't you guys? We're back with the kids. Doing gels on.
Assembly.
Per usual. And we're about to start pulling things together. So, still looking mighty rough, but not for long. So, we're about to get to it.
Oh, just leave me be the way I always was. Oh, just let me be. I can't bear hating me. Oh, leave me alone. I can't leave on like this. I need to learn how to cherish and love my little self. I just wanna be. Hey, hey, just wanna be. Hey, hey, just wanna be. Do-do-do-do-do. I just wanna be. Hey, hey. Whenever I look at someone, all I see are things I don't have, and it makes me wanna hide and never see the light again. Oh, I hate what I'm seeing. I just wanna run, disappear for good. I wanna tear myself apart and create something new. Oh, just leave me be the way I always was. Oh, just let me be. I can't bear hating me. Oh, leave me alone. I can't leave on like this.
You're a mess.
Do you like it? Look in your, as you do, selfie mirror.
Did you get this from Amazon?
Why? How do you know?
Because I would be selling stuff like that. I like it.
Do you?
Yeah, it looks nice.
I mean, do you like it a lot? Do you like it a little bit? Do you
Yes.
like it medium?
I love it.
I think it's very cute.
What's your favorite part about it?
Probably this wall.
The wall?
It's fine.
Yeah.
I'm jealous, low key. I always wanted a wall like this, but I never had it.
I like the neon as well.
It's cute, and you got them on your bed, and they don't show anymore like they were, and on your TV, and a whole new place for your TV, so it doesn't cover your dresser.
This looks amazing. I like it.
You love it?
Oh, you guys fixed my light too.
Yeah, even though it doesn't work. But
Yeah.
should we tell Mom?
You ready for high school?
No.
Holy shit. Oh my god.
Like she walked into Narnia.
And she has a whole thing for your TV, so it's not just.
Oh.
She can work at that desk too if she got to do homework.
Yeah.
Oh my god. This is just amazing.
What?
What do you think?
It looks really cool.
Is it everything you thought?
She's gonna take 1 million pictures in here.
She'll be-
Probably 1 billion.
She's gonna call her friends right away.
This
Be on
is
FaceTime all night.
We can't move now.
Look.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, it's gonna be a second.
What'd you do? Just stick that up there like that?
And you guys, how cool! This is my first sponsored video. This blanket was gifted to me, so I can put in a video. This one.
Oh my god.
It's a climacool
This
blanket.
is
Yeah.
amazing.
It's a cooling blanket.
It's amazing.
A cool blanket.
Yeah, it's supposed to. You don't get hot when you have it on you.
That's pretty good.
Yeah. Danielle's a wild sleeper.
She's like overwhelmed. She went in there and she goes, I'm so awkward.
Oh,
No,
wow.
you're not.
She did.
She can't believe. She's in shock.
I cannot believe this.
And your little shelf over there has your trophy and all your stuff.
Gorgeous. Is this everything you wanted?
Don't mess it up.
Oh.
Well, glad you love it.
Me too.
I'm just amazed. And these, oh my god.
Very cute, huh?
Yes, where did you find that?
Amazon. It'll be linked down below.
Hey.
What'd you say?
She said it'll be linked down below.
YouTube stuff.
Don't
Dang.
put me in this video.
Danielle.
You're in the
video.
You're in the video.
Oh, tell these people watching to subscribe to the channel.
She does a lot of hard working, so like subscribe to her. She's amazing. And this room looks fantastic. Like I'm asleep now.
She's out of here.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's overwhelmed. She's overwhelmed. She's completely overwhelmed.
Glad you like it.
Thanks.
High school girl.
All right, guys, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. My sister really loves her bedroom. She doesn't really like to be on camera, but I appreciate her for letting me. However, I know that she loved the space, and I hope that you guys loved it too. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and leave me some comments down below so I can know what you guys liked about the space, what you guys are excited for me to film next, so I can get some ideas. And as always, I appreciate you guys for supporting me and coming back to continue to watch my videos. It means the most. So I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Make sure you subscribe because we got some fire coming. Thanks, guys. See you later.